Hello friends, today's recipe is my grandmother's recipe. We added 220 ml of milk and 10 grams of yeast, then we added 30 grams of sugar. We must mix them together until the yeast mixes with the sugar. Then add 350 grams of flour and 3 grams of salt. Knead the dough well before adding oil to it. Here we added 15 ml of oil. The dough must be kneaded well until the dough holds together and becomes good and easy. Here we cut the dough into 2 pieces. The dough should roll out this way. It becomes easier to work with. This recipe is my grandmother's recipe. My grandmother is 90 years old. Here we cover the dough for a few minutes. After that, we started working directly with the dough. It is very convenient and works well for us. We shape the piece of dough into an approximately circular shape, and here we cut it into pieces. The dough. We must gently roll the dough and extract the air from it so that the bread comes out well with us and is soft and tender. I hope you enjoy this recipe and make it at home. It's very easy, I hope. Please write to me in the comments which country you follow me from. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button here. The shape has become great and its shape is also very excellent. Here we put it in the mold. The dough should be covered and rested for 50 minutes. At this time, we put an egg and beat it well. Here the dough is ready, fermented, and ready to serve. Before that, it goes into the oven. Bread should be brushed with eggs. It looks very cute. Here it goes into the oven and we bake it at 190 degrees for 23 to 25 minutes. Here the bread is ready and golden in color. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. Hope you enjoy it. Welcome. Goodbye.